Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today, I'm going on here to tell you all you need to know about the Sunday Riley Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. Are you ready? I want to try something new. I want to do a very quick video. I don't want to talk on and on and on and on. So let's get right to it. I'm first going to read some facts and claims on this product, and then I'll zoom you in and show you how it looks on the skin, and then I will conclude the video, and I hope I can wrap that up within 7 minutes, let's say. But yeah, the C.E.O. Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream on Sephora.com, and I imagine Sunday Riley has their own website as well, and it looks like this. It's a very it's a plastic, but it looks kind of like glass on the bottom, and it's just white on the top, and there's the cream. It seems very thick, right? More on that, but let's talk about the pricing. On Sephora.com or the Sephora app, it comes in two sizes. The bigger size is 1.7 ounce, which is 50 milliliters, retailing for $65 US, and the smaller size is 0.5 ounces, which is 15 gram. Where's the milliliter? And it's retailing for $22. I like that we have options, so we can try out the smaller size with a reasonable price before we commit to the full size. And it's supposed to be for all skin types. Hydrating moisturizers that infuses skin with high-potency advanced vitamin C, THD ascorbate. Who is she? To fight the first visible signs of aging while providing powerful antioxidant support. Solutions for fine lines, wrinkles, and dryness. Very long list of ingredients, which I don't know how I feel about that. It seems like it has some kind of fragrance, I think. And it's not marked as clean in Sephora. I received this in my BoxyCharm Premium, and it just didn't come with a box and a spatula, but it's supposed to do that. So let's zoom you in, and I will show you the application because my skin is dying for moisture. Kind of a beigey color, and it's very thick. It smells a little citrusy, but it's not overpowering right now. And you can see it looks like a traditional cream. I usually use this in the morning, and sometimes I use it at night. And when I use it, I take about this much, warm up the product a little bit, and get it on both my hands, and then I tap it like that. I also do it on my neck also, and then we blend. Oh my god, it feels so good. Okay, it's fairly easy to blend out, and you can see it gives me an instant glow appearance to my skin, and it feels wonderful. And if you have super dry skin, you're gonna love this cream. Yeah, it's like completely gone. I don't really feel it on my face anymore, and it feels just really hydrating. I can still smell the cream a little bit right now. I don't mind that. I actually enjoy that because it smells nice and citrusy and just refreshing. But I know some people have problems with scented products, so I just want to let you know that. And you can see it's not overly dewy or crazy thick or anything. It's actually really nice. Now that I look at it on camera, it actually is not as glowy as I thought it would be. Like, it's not as glowy as I feel like it is. You know what I mean? If you are familiar with like the Drunk Elephant Protini cream, I have a review of that. I will link it up and down the description box. It is very similar to that, but Sunday Riley cream is even thicker in consistency. If you have super oily skin, I don't think you should get this product just because it's so thick. And I think if you have oily skin, you better go with something a little thinner, like kind of a light moisturizer, at least for the mornings. And I use this for morning and night. I don't know how the vitamin C is gonna survive with opening and closing, because if you know about vitamin C, when it comes in contact with air, it will expire faster than let's say in the serum when there's a pump and the product stay inside. So far, I just use this for mainly hydration, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. It's a perfect one-step morning skincare routine because it's fairly thick, and so because of that, I don't need to use anything else beside it to get the hydration like a serum or toner. I just use this enough for me to go, and it plays with makeup really well. It sits underneath makeup beautifully. I have used it on several of my videos underneath makeup, and so far it worked out really nice. It doesn't break me out, which is a plus, because sometimes cream and sunscreen, kind of like a thick cream consistency kind of a product, usually breaks me out easily, but this one so far is beautiful. I've been using it on and off for about a month now. I don't use it every morning because I'm testing out a few products, but whenever I use it, I really enjoy it. Highly recommend this product. I think the price is fair for Sephora and mid-range skincare. I think it's worth it to invest in your skin, but you have to learn and research before you use it and get samples to try it out. That's why I'm excited that they have the smaller size for a cheaper price tag, so you can actually test out the product before you commit to a big size jar. I have two critiques. First is they can tone down the fragrance a little bit. I can let that go because I don't really care about that, and I actually like the fragrance in this product, but I know a lot of people are sensitive and I don't know how that works out for them. And the second critiques I have for this product is the fact that it's open to air like this. I don't enjoy that. I think the vitamin C properties is gonna go away very soon. I would repurchase it unless I'm trying something else. It's already 10 minutes. We can cut it out. That's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please let me know in the comment section below if you tried this. What is your thought on it, and or what other products from Sunday Riley that you would recommend for me to try out, because they have quite a large range of skincare products that are very highly rated. And let me know also, what can I do to improve my video? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future uploads. I'm gonna try to mix up the length of my videos. Sometimes I will post long videos, sometimes I'll post shorter videos like this. And that's it. I will let you go. I hope you have a great day. Remember, don't flop.